My name is Ade Hazley. I own V12 Yoga. Coming from that background of being in the trap and being in trouble, I had to find a way to pull myself out of that, which is change. So through breath, which is life, the alignment, which is your plan, your flow, which is your movements, and your meditation, which is your intention and where you're going, we curated this and put it together with that music. So my particular story, I've been down twice. I faced a determinate sentence of 40 years. I did that and I had to find my way out of that. Your story is different than my story. You might have a depression situation or might have some type of challenge that you're dealing with a significant other. Whatever that is, you bring that to your practice. That's your intention. And then what we're going to do is plan a way to get out of that. So pairing that all together, curating that whole workshop, hopefully that you'll be able to bring yourself out of your trap. I really appreciate your time. I'll check in with you later. Ade, namaste.